Hey guys, this is Rashid from Clumio. Today let's talk about Granular Record Retrieval, a capability that is very unique in Clumio Backup as a Service platform. Granular Record Retrieval, otherwise known as GRR, is a capability that is designed for large enterprises to meet the needs of audits and e-discovery needs of the future. Many organizations generally need to protect their mission-critical databases from production for two specific reasons. One is for operational recovery. This is when, in case something went wrong with your production, such as a user error, a software glitch, and you need to bring your database back into a previous point in time, you perform an operational recovery. That is the prime reason you generally protect your databases. The second reason in industry, especially in regulated industries such as finance and healthcare, you are going to take your database, back it up, and keep it in an offset location for years and years and years. This is because of the regulatory needs. When in future you have an audit or a litigation where the data need to be e-discovered, in those scenarios you may need to bring specific records back. And the way you do this in the old school world had been, you have your database backups offset somewhere, you bring it back on site. When you're hit with an audit, you restore that database back to a sandbox environment, hoping that you have the correct engines and versions available to you in future. And then you restore GenFish for the records that you need to service your need from the legal team or from the audit team. This is a very painful process. It can take anywhere from weeks to months to complete depending on the severity of the situation. So the GRR capability in Clumio is designed to short-circuit that entire tedious, long, painful process. With Clumio, things are very, very simple. Let's take RDS as an example. Let's say you're protecting your production RDS instance. It doesn't matter what engine is used in RDS, be it Aurora, Oracle, SQL, Postgres, what have you. So when you protect your RDS instance using Clumio, you will get operational recovery capabilities to meet your production needs. On top of that, you can also enable granular record retrieval, whereby the data is logically extracted and stored behind in an engine-independent format for you to query directly when you need it in future. Let me walk you through how this experience actually works as an end user. So let us say you're hit with an audit and you need to go back to previous point in time. You simply go to the Clumio web interface, navigate to your RDS instance, navigate through your calendar, and go to the timeline where you need the records to be retrieved from. Simply choose the point in time. You are already presented with a schema explorer where you get to see the tables and the columns of interest. You run a sample query against it. This could be as simple as select star, or it could be as complex as you need to meet your specific retrieval need. Preview the records. And if that is what you are looking for, simply initiate the retrieval and the records are in your hand in a matter of minutes. If the records are not the one that you need, you can simply redo this and again you can get it back in a matter of few minutes. It's very easy to do. You don't need to go through a tedious process and you simply pass those records back to your auditor or paralegal to meet your requirement. So there you have it. As far as GRR is concerned, Clumio's granular record retrieval is concerned, it is really designed to keep the life of enterprises easy when it comes to meeting your audit needs and e-discovery needs. This capability is so powerful that we use it on our own to meet our own compliance needs when it comes to our cloud data platform. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please click on the link in the video